Hello and welcome to the UNM Valencia Blackboard Learn student orientation. If you're wondering why you're in this course, you have either not taken an online course before or we don't have a completion certificate for you. If you have taken more than 3 courses through UNM Blackboard Learn, you may go ahead and email the instructors for this course, and we will need to know what courses you took and with what professors. So we need that in order to verify that you've taken those courses. If not, you will have to go ahead and complete this orientation. I just wanted to give you a few different tips about the orientation to get you started. One is be sure that you go in to learn from the MyLearn instead of the notifications tool. And the reason that we want you to do that is because a lot of material that is not available through the notification tool is in the actual course content. Also, if you are messaging any of us here, the instructors, you want to go through course messages. Again, avoid going through the notification tool, because once you're in the course, you know that you are messaging the correct instructors. As you begin the course, you have a Start Here module. You want to go ahead and start there because it gives you some information about what you need to complete the course. In other words, it'll tell you how many points you need, what task you're going to complete, and other important announcements. There is also an announcements tool here. Be sure to check that. It may come in through your notifications. However, it is good to just be in the course and check things within the course. Course messages, same thing. Just be sure to come in here and look for everything that you are going to need to access in order to do the quizzes, the assignments, the discussions. One thing that I wanted to discuss is when you're going in here to do your course message assignment, please be sure when you create this message that you click on only the instructors. Right now you're only going to see the instructors and the teaching assistants for this video. However, once everyone is put into this course, there's over 1,000 of you. So you do not want to hit reply all. You want to go ahead or select all. You want to go ahead and look for your instructors. You don't necessarily have to email the teaching assistant. She's just here to assist us. She won't be grading your work. I think that is the basics of the beginning of this course orientation. If you have any questions, please again email us through here. You may have to scroll down quite a few names. Just remember who your instructors are. In this case, Elaine Clark, Soledad Garcia King. You may have to scroll down through quite a few names because there's a high volume of people here, but don't resort to select all or reply all, because whatever you're asking the instructors is going to go to over 1,000 people. So I hope that this will at least get you started. Again, welcome to the Blackboard orientation. This is to help you navigate Blackboard. Everything that has been put in here has been put in here by request of the instructors, things that they feel that you need to know in order to be successful in your online courses, how to respond to discussions, how to submit an assignment, how to take a quiz, netiquette, things that you need to know for all your online classes. So this orientation was designed to give you a little bit of a background on all the features that are commonly used in most classes in UNM Valencia Blackboard Learn. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the instructors for this course.